common question with Fusebill is, how do I update the price of a product? Log into your Fusebill account and navigate to Catalog. Select Plans and find the specific plan related to the product you want to change the pricing for. You'll see the products within that plan on the right. In this case, there's just one recurring service. Select the product to go into its details. Make your change to the price of the product. Save your changes. From now on, new customers that sign up for that recurring service will have your new pricing. If you also want to push the new pricing to your existing subscribers, from Plans, select the plan you'd like to push the new pricing on and go to Subscribers. You'll be presented with a list of your subscribers for that plan. Select Push Catalog Price from the first drop-down menu. From the second drop-down, select to push the price on a specific product or on all the products in that plan. Next, select the customers you'd like to update pricing for. You can perform a search using the filter, select customers individually with the checkboxes, or check the top box to select all customers currently subscribed to this plan. Hit Apply to push the new pricing. A confirmation screen will show how many customer accounts will be updated when you process these changes. Select Process, and Fusebill will begin updating prices. What pricing models are available in Fusebill? And how do you update a pricing model? When you're looking at the details of a product, you can see the various types of pricing you can apply, including standard, tiered, stair-step, and volume. Standard pricing is a fixed price per unit. If you have additional currencies configured in your account, you'll have the option to adjust your prices for all your currencies. Additional settings enables you to customize details related to when to charge, when to earn revenue, what dates to show, how long a specific product's expiry cycle lasts, and whether or not there's an automated uplift schedule. Next is tiered pricing. This is for when you want prices to be based on a per unit basis, but each unit in the ranges you add has a specific price. For example, the first 10 products a customer purchases on this tiered model will cost $15 per unit. Every product they purchase above 10 units will be $5 per unit. Stair-step pricing, which typically works best with more than 2 ranges, is when you have specific pricing brackets customers will fit into for total price. For example, if a customer purchased 5 units, which falls between 0 and 10 units, they'd pay $15 total. If a customer purchased 15 units, which falls between 11 and 20 units, they'd pay $25 total. And for greater than 20 units, they'd be charged $40 total. Finally, the volume pricing model rewards customers for purchasing in bulk. The higher volume of products they purchase, the lower their price per unit becomes. To change your pricing model, from Catalog, select the plan, and then select the product you'd like to change your pricing model on. Under Pricing Type, toggle to change the pricing model. Once you select the pricing model you want, configure the pricing ranges. Save your changes. You'll be taken back to the Plans page and the specific plan you were working on. You'll see the pricing model has been updated for subscribers moving forward. If you want to change it for existing subscribers, you'd perform the same push process we walked through earlier. There's also a hidden pricing model in Fusebill called Formula Pricing. This model is added during implementation if your business chooses to have it. It can also be added later on. This model is typically used to apply added fees, such as late fees. To set up a formula fee using the formula pricing model, first create a new product that represents your formula fee. For product type, select Recurring Service. Name the product, which will auto-populate your code. You can also add a GL code and description. Save your product to add it to your catalog. Next, from Catalog, select Plans. Select the plan you'd like to add your late fee or formula fee to. From the products list on the right, select the late fee product you created. Assign the product to the plan. This screen enables you to set the details you need on that new late fee product. To ensure Fusebill checks whether to apply the fee every billing period, click to always include registration visibility. Then set your pricing model to formula. Next, define what the fee calculations will be based off. For example, if the customer has an opening invoice balance of more than $20 or 18 euros, a balance that's outstanding from the previous billing period, they'll be charged 5% of that balance, or $5, whichever is bigger. You could also omit the percentage and just choose a specific dollar amount for your fee. These fee calculations have to be set for any other frequency you have as well. Scroll down to the Quantity Management section. Track unique quantities should be off, quantity should be 1, and fixed quantity should be fixed to on so you can't have more than one late fee existing on a customer at a time. Save any changes. Now your late fee or formula fee is attached to that product.